I got sent the Buxom Lip Duo and I love the packaging. Look how cute that is. Okay, the color though, this is such a good color and look what it's gonna do to my lips. So I have pretty thin lips. I like to put on this one first. It's a really natural color. Just glides right on. Kind of blend it in. And you could just wear this alone if you want to, but then you have this one that you can put on top, or you can wear this one alone. And this is the Collagen Peptides Lip Plumping Serum. What happens immediately is you start feeling a little bit of a tingliness, nothing too spicy or anything like that, just like a little bit of a tingliness. That's the plumping going into action. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds. And there you have it, that high gloss shine. This actually lasts quite a long time. I love wearing this duo. I think the color's really pretty. And you can see it's done a good job giving me a little bit more of a plumpness to my lips. So I love this and I think you're gonna love it as well.